Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make this cute little pencil out of polymer, clay, and resin. And it's a little bit late, but it's for the back to school theme. So first we're going to make the template for the pencil. So I'm taking some scrap clay and I'm rolling into a fat cylinder shape. And then I'm going to cut off the bottom part of the cylinder so it can lay flat on the ground. And then I'm going to carve out a hexagon shape. Next, I'm just using my fingers to smooth out the sides and make sure everything is even. Then using my blade, I'm going to cut off one end, and on the other end, I'm going to pinch it into a cone shape. Then using your blade, you're going to cut off the little tip of your cone. And then you want to bake according to instructions. And once baked, you want to make it into a nice mold, and I used the mold maker I got from MiniatureSweets. So first I'm going to fill the mold with some clear resin and letting that cure, and I'm only filling it up to the cone part. Next I'm going to take some UV resin and I'm putting some yellow pigments along with some glitters, mixing it all together. And I'm filling up the rest of the mold with the glitter mixture that I made. Once fully cured, you want to carefully demold the resin out of the silicone mold. The next step is to make the eraser part of the pencil. So I'm taking Premo Rose pink clay and I'm rolling it into a fat cylinder, and I'm flattening out one side so it's more of a sharper cylinder shape. Then taking my blade, I'm going to cut off the end of the eraser. And I'm going to place that on top of my resin piece. Next we're going to make the metal band that connects the pencil with the eraser. So I'm taking some pearly silver clay from Fimo and I'm flattening it out and cutting out a rectangular shape. Then using the dull side of my blade, I'm making multiple parallel indents so it looks like stripes, and each pencil has a different design, so you can change up this design according to whatever pencil you have. Then you want to wrap the metal band, making sure it covers both the eraser and the resin pencil. Then you want to carefully pull apart the polymer clay part out of the resin so you can bake that separately. And finally, for the lead, you want to take a ball of black clay and place it on the flat part of your pencil, and you want to shape it into a cone. And then you want to take that apart and bake it according to instructions. And next you want to apply some super glue to both ends of the pencil and glue on the eraser and the lead. Next I'm placing my pencil on top of a ball of polymer clay so it can cure upright. And I'm taking a paintbrush and I'm applying a thin layer of resin all around the resin part of the pencil, just to give it an extra shine. And from my assortment of pre-baked eyes and pre-baked mouths out of polymer clay, I'm picking out a line smile and two dot eyes. And I'm placing the face on the side of the pencil and letting that cure completely. And here's the final product, a cute little resin and polymer clay pencil. And I know it's a little bit late for back to school because school has started for most people already, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. And let me know what kind of pencil you guys like to write with when you're taking notes. Me personally, I like to write in pen rather than pencil, but if it was pencil, it'd be mechanical. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.